Putting the shutter in?
The active grille shutter, yep.
Gotcha. Your make model again?
16 Jetta 1.8.
Replacing the active radiator shutter.
I did.
Common issue on these?
No, it's just tight.
Huh?
Getting the grill off?
No. I'm saying the shutter flap. G30s? 45s? G30s? Is that for the bumper or the rad support?
Bumper.
Removing the quarter wheel well. Does this have a quarter or no?
No.
Oh, does not. T25s. T25s for the bumper. Disconnect them.
Fog light?
The what?
Fog light?
Fog light.
Oh, well, that's why I couldn't disconnect that. Look at that, another one.
What?
Bring that right back to Kobe. Yeah, I do. Oh, he's fucked up. Kobe is fucked up again. Another shield is off, another car. Right here, bent.
The
See
what?
that? The support is bent. That's why this is broken.
Oh, you hit something or?
They hit something at some point, or they just see they cracked it right here. Cracked.
Yep.
Yeah, so when we put the new one on, we're going to have to straighten out the supports real good.
Gotcha. So it's cracked right there.
Forever.
Hey, don't pump the brakes. T30. That's it.
So you see how bent it is? Let's try to straighten that out a little bit.
It's adjustable wrench, no? Take a measurement.
No, I'm just trying to get it approximate. You'll know.
Ready. Measured it out, both sides, 8.7.
Come over this way a little bit.
Straightened her out, straightened her out, put the two T30s back. One on the driver's side. One on the passenger. Putting the harness back in, popping out the old mounts. Funny because you have the proper tool.
I know.
Pop the new harness in, plug it in. Why does it have two of them? One for each side, or?
One is a temperature sensor, one is a level sensor for the motor. There's a motor on here.
Oh, gotcha. That's the motor. Holy.
lot going on there.
Installing the fog light driver's side. Installing the passenger side fog light. Now we're installing the bumper. Plugging in the fog light. Coming over to the driver's side. Plugging in the fog light. Anything else plugging in?
Nope, not on this car.
That's it. Popping the bumper back in. Held in with a bunch of T25s and T30s. Three T30s up front. Installing the grill, sprayed some silicone grease on it.
Silicone lubricant.
Silicone lube.
Yeah, not grease.
Is there a difference?
Yeah.
More of a misty.
Yeah.
Installing T25s up top. T25s into the bumper and the wheel well. T25s, driver's side or passenger side wheel well going into the bumper. Four of those.
Hey, what happened to that tip?
Couple T25s underneath.
No, this one was alright.
8 T25s underneath.
Something's leaking up way high too. There's definitely a little.